Jamal Gasol, what up? That boy, Frenchie on the boards. Falls to Harlem, Fly family, let's go. A nigga ill, just add the Ivy, I'm off the map. They not gonna find me, I hear that talking, that's not your body. Remember when my brother used to ask me dumb shit, like why you posted in that building and it's not your lobby? I ain't here for the night, bro, I'm just here for the nice flow. I'm cooking while this shit spinning, this record was the gyro. Milk crate shit and I'm flipping, that was the light though. One brick, 36 could turn you to a light show. My type O's, that sentence they wanted right though. Feds different, my fam sitting there had the right though. On guard, I'm winning, you niggas can check the scorecard. Ask Jesus for help or whoever you niggas call on. Triple overtime, win or loss, we got our ball on. So RIP my niggas, pop that liquor, get your paw on. Nothing was given, salute to my homie Ice Rocks. He tapped me in and threw this beat in the submission like whoa, whoa, whoa. Ask mommy, I was a little dirty nigga on the corner like whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a little guap, so my ops talk like they want all alike. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ask mommy, I was a little dirty nigga on the corner like whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a little paper, so my haters talk like they want all alike.
Got the licks glued to the screen like the poltergeist. Life a gamble, roll the dice. Get a job and flip a site. I was on the porch like the mailbox. Analog Yeezys, I ain't really with the shell top. North Ave, where it all started to pop. 20 niggas in the spot, all had somebody coming to cop. They're selling vinyls like quarters shit. I can't lie, it's a certain vibe I get when I see pots and boiling water. We took risky rides, I'm with my niggas for life. I don't play both sides, we are nothing alike. Play them corners like Champ Bailey. My money legal now, so why hate me? I led the way, some niggas need to thank you. No cocky shit, just some honesty. The work crummy A1 and the coke rocky. On the west coast, blowing gas, feeling godly. That street light took my mind, heart, soul, and body. Real shit.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ask mommy, I was a little dirty nigga on the corner like whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a little guap, so my ops talk like they want all alike. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ask mommy, I was a little dirty nigga on the corner like whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a little paper, so my haters talk like they want all alike.